Hey, how you doing? Listen, you ever wonder what kills the battery on your phone? Well, I got some answers right here for you. So hang in there. Let's talk about that right now.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again, and welcome back to the show. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, hope to find everybody safe, healthy, and in good spirits. Remember, if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. This way you know every time I come out with a video. And a thumbs up always helps. And your comments, love to hear from you guys. Appreciate you all coming back and stopping by. It's awesome. Thank you so much. So yeah, today I want to talk about something I go through, and I'm sure other people go through. The battery on a phone sometimes just it just doesn't want to stay charged that long, and it's always at the wrong time. Like, oh man, I'm down a certain amount of percentage, whatever. Always try to keep my phone charged up as much as possible. This way, I never know when I'm running out at the door. I got to go do something, I'll be something for a while, and I don't want to get caught with a battery that's low. I got some things here talks about why your battery can go low on you quick and what you shouldn't do. This is some things that you don't want to do because it'll kill your battery. Warning for iPhone users, as battery killer mistake is putting huge strain on your device. Common charging mistakes can slowly destroy your iPhone battery. Using your iPhone when it's charging isn't advisable. Why you shouldn't use your iPhone while it's charging. And I never knew this. I used to do it. I do it. Now I won't do it no more. Check this out. It is very tempting to use our iPhone while it's hooked up to the charger, but this can be extremely damaging to the battery. There is compelling evidence out there that shows using your phone while it's charging can not only reduce battery life, but disrupt the charge cycle as well. This is especially the case if you're using your phone to play a game or watch videos, which are considered processor-intense tasks. Smell like Englishman for a minute there, right? Tasks. All right. This behavior is essentially increasing the strain on your iPhone's battery. That's because you're simultaneously charging and discharging your device. Avoiding this may be tricky, but you should try and charge your iPhone during periods that you're less likely to need it. You may think leaving your iPhone on charge while you sleep is the solution, but that can also be damaging. Every iPhone contains a lithium-ion battery that degrades over time. That means over time, the battery will hold less charge than it was brand new. Keeping battery charged and charging at 100% isn't great for the cell and can speed up the degrading process. Thankfully, your iPhone has a built-in feature that can be turned on or off to help boost battery health while you're in the land of Nod. That's where optimized battery charging comes in a bid to extend the lifespan of your iPhone. You can limit the wear on your battery by reducing the time your iPhone spends fully charged. So say don't keep it charged all the time. That ultimately means your battery will last longer. So when optimized battery charging is active, your iPhone will delay charging past 80%, but only in specific situations. Your iPhone will learn about your day-to-day charging routine to do this. So how you do it, they say you go to settings, you go to battery health, optimized battery charging. All right, so go to your settings, go to battery health, and hit optimized battery charging. And then they say once you get to 80%, it'll slow it down. So yeah, there's a lot of things in there I didn't realize that I would actually do. Like I would leave my phone on charge overnight. I didn't think I thought it had something built in that would stop that, which evidently it does, but I didn't know about. And using it while it's charging. I mean, how many times does my phone get low? I plug in, I charge it. I'm still looking at things. I'm going through things, whatever I got to do, not realize that that's hurting it, Now they're saying about iPhones, I'm pretty sure it probably goes for other phones too. I'm not sure, with the Samsung or whatever. But they all basically are the same thing, So I guess this is good practice for everyone to just kind of like be careful. Don't overcharge your phone. Don't use it while you're charging it. Don't keep it at 100% all the time. Let it go down. I always heard too, it's always good to let it go down to 0 and then charge it back up. This way it knows that range. Well, that's true or not, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like we hear a lot of different things out there. But that's just a little tidbit on the phones on how to kind of keep your battery life going, and it says these things are expensive, man. Who the hell needs to replace these things, Because evidently you don't want to change the battery. You want to change the whole phone, All right, guys. Appreciate you again stopping by. Thank you. Take care of yourselves. Remember, stay safe, stay healthy. Don't forget if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Hit that thumbs up. I appreciate that. Leave your comments. All right. And again, thanks again for stopping by. I appreciate you all. Take care of yourselves. Until next time, I'll see you around. I'm out of here. So long. Take care.